Hello, hello, and welcome to the video study guide for fragments. This is part 2 of our test, which is scheduled for Tuesday, October 27th, 2015, on parts of a sentence, types of incorrect sentences like fragments and run-ons, and then, of course, types of sentences, which will be the final part of the test. A fragment, as we discussed, is a group of words that is written as a sentence but missing a subject or verb. It could be the entire predicate. It could just be the action word itself. In some cases, it's just the simple subject from a sentence, but it's definitely missing something. For example, we can clearly see that this is a very happy dog. However, as that is written, that is not a complete sentence. We are missing something very important, which is the action. So we have the subject. The subject is the dog. Happy is an adjective that is describing the dog, and very is an adverb that is describing happy. But we're missing what the dog is doing. In this case, it's a past tense verb saying the very happy dog had just eaten a big meal. And to really fix the sentence, I had to get rid of the period that's after dog, gone. And now I've fixed my fragment from the very happy dog to the very happy dog had just eaten a big meal. Now I have a subject and I have a predicate. In this case, I have was late for a very important date. I have an action there. Was is a past tense verb for the verb to be. The verb is where we're going to a major part of the predicate. So the predicate is where we're going to find the verb. But we're missing the subject, and if the picture wasn't there, we wouldn't know who was very late. So in this case, we add the white rabbit, and we make the capital W in was into our lowercase, and now we have the white rabbit was late for a very important date, and I fixed my fragment into a full sentence. Here we have a school bus, and if you're not reading very carefully, this may look like a complete sentence because it does have a subject, and it has most of what looks like a predicate, but it's missing one key word, and that is the action word. So it says the bus us to school each morning. It's missing a very important word, and I can throw the word took in there. The bus took us to school each morning, or the bus drove us to school each morning. And now I've fixed that fragment into a complete sentence. And I don't imagine any students are taking this bus to school each morning because this bus is a toy. So that's it. Your test is going to be this Tuesday, and hopefully you're good enough with fragments that you realized that the way this sentence is written is actually incorrect because it's missing the verb is. It's a fragment, or at least it was. I fixed it. You're welcome.